Hey guys, and welcome back. We're here with Spirit, and he's just eating. Yeah, we're here with Marley because there's a potato festival, and there's some potatoes because this is apparently it's an annual thing. I've never seen it before, but maybe they're trying to make it an annual thing. So yeah, let's just get right into this. Howdy, Emma. You're here to take part in the traditional potato planting just like everyone else, right? It's getting more and more popular every year. Wow there, cowboy. You don't know what I'm talking about? The potato planting tradition is something we do to celebrate that the frost is finally gone from the ground and that warmer times are on their way. Now we can finally grow things in the ground again. We celebrate by digging out the potatoes from the potato patch that have managed to survive the winter. I don't know how they make it through, but there's something special about the earth here on Jorvik. Somehow it makes the potatoes super big and able to withstand the cold. Those spuds that make it through the winter are incredibly delicious and are something of a delicacy round these parts. After that, we plant new potatoes in a riding competition where the most daring local riders compete. Knowing you, it sounds like something you'd love to go at. Of course. But for now, ride out to the potato patch and dig up a huge potato. Then I'll teach you how to make the best baked potatoes. Giddy up, Emma. Okay, so let's just get right into this. Yeah. Kind of a tight turn here. Okay. Where are these potatoes? These very big potatoes. Oh, here? Here? Are you a big potato? Ew, that was rotten looking. Oh, okay. So we got that potato. Okay, so now that we've got that, let's just get up over there. Back to Marley. Whee! Marley. Okay. Sorry, Spirit. Wow, Mama, look at the size of that potato. Wow, Mama, what a find. This potato's gonna be perfect. Now let's see. This potato needs to be baked, but we need other ingredients if it's gonna be the perfect baked potato. All we're missing now is some silver-grade sage and some traditionally churned butter. Make a start by grabbing me a bunch of silver-glade sage. You'll find it around the birch tree by the stables. Okay. You heard him, Spirit. The birch tree. Oh, there we go. There, got that, Spirit. Thank you for your help. Okay, why you don't get a jump here? It's really mean. Spirit, what's wrong? Don't you love trees and stuff? And all of this? Wait, okay. These are some fine looking herbs. Thanks. Now we just need some butter and then we can make the perfect old country styled baked potato. You can fetch the butter, you say? Great! Ride up to Derek at the Silverglade post office. He should have a nice pack of newly churned butter for me. Okay. Let's go to Silverglade then. You heard the man, Spirit, run. Spirit, let's go. Let's go, Spirit. You heard the man, didn't you? Didn't you, boy? Good boy. Okay, so... Sorry, Spirit. Oh, I'm starting to be thirsty. Oh, of course you are. We've been making you work a lot, haven't we now? There's supposed to be a guy here. Oh. Hey, Emma. Are you here to send something to pick something up? Welcome back, Emma. How have you been? Yeah, absolutely. I got a package for Marley. Here you go. Say hey from him to me. Okay, now back to Marley. Sorry, Spirit, but we need to go to Moorland to feed you and give you some water. I'm sorry. We'll finish these few quests of the potato festival, And then I promise we'll go get you some food and water. I actually didn't know there was a jump there, I just felt like jumping. So that was like perfect timing. How'd they just turn around? Oh, this is perfect, Emma. This butter is the best you can get. Okay. We cannot do this quest on horseback. Sorry, Spirit. Sorry, boy. So, you reckon you're ready to prepare perfect potato? My family has this traditional recipe for generations. Now it's your turn to learn how to do it. You think it's gonna be easy, you say? Sure, I guess I say that. Looks easier than it actually is, Emma. Be sure to follow my instructions carefully, and we'll have a potato so tasty you'll be saying, "Thank you, Big Potato." Let's go. Okay. Oven. What? Where? Where's the potato? Oh, there. Oh my god. Oh my god, horse face. Oh my god, a gigantic potato. Box on the table, box on the table. This always really stresses me out. Which butter? Where is the butter? Spirit, what's in the way? Oh my god. Okay, we're just gonna move Spirit over because he's kind of in the way. No offense, Spirit. Okay. So we're gonna try that again. Yes. Okay. Yes, okay, turn the oven on. We got this now. Don't we? I love how they talk. Okay. Hot potato. Okay, we're good. We're good, Spirit. No, oh my god, what am I doing? Sorry guys, sorry about that. Let's not walk into Marley. Okay. Woohoo, Emma! This smells incredibly good. Let me try your baked potato. Nom nom nom. Hey, that was my baked potato. Brood. Chomp chomp chomp. Yee-haw! That was one of the best baked potatoes I've ever eaten. That sure brings back memories from when I was just a boy. My old grandma used to make potatoes just like these with me when I was knee-high to a grasshopper. Wow, this flavor is exactly the same. These are some good old memories. Okay. Alright, Emma. Now you've learned how to take care of the potatoes that made it through the winter. All we've got left is the final step in our traditional potato celebration. Time to plant the new potatoes. Ride over to Elvie and she'll go through it all with you. You like your riding to be a little wild and crazy, huh? We fancied up some regular potato planting and that's all a little more exciting. Be sure to grab the potato right here next to me before you ride off. Good luck, Emma. Okay. Which potato do I need to get before I ride off? Oh, those. Oh my god! It's literally bigger than the horse. It is so much bigger. That is so cute. Oh my god. It doesn't even fall off. That's awesome. Those are some classic skills. Elvie, you're supposed to be here. I love how it doesn't fall off. Don't be shy. Come take part in the festivities. You're here for the annual potato planting place? Oh, there's what's left. Here, there's straight. Oh, okay. Wait. No. Okay. Hey there, stranger. My name's Elvie, and I guess I do a little bit of everything here at Marley's farm. I make sure the horses are looked after and that the yard is always clean and tidy. You've been to see Marley, you say? Good. Then you know it's important to us to hold on to our traditions and celebrate the thawing of the frost. We've been waiting all winter for the day to come where we're able to use the soil again. Sorry about that, guys. I'm always so delighted every year when it's time for our potato party. Springtime really puts a spring in your step. Ha ha ha. We've come up with a race where we plant potatoes on the ground to celebrate the frost disappearing. I understand that you want to compete against the others, but we'll have a little test run first so that you know the rules. The race is basically a run out onto the potato patch where you have to plant as many potatoes as you can on all of the indicated spots. Then you just hurry back to me here by the finish line, and the first one to do so is the winner. There's a whole heap of prestige to be won by being crowned the winner of this race. Saddle up and ride like the wind. You heard the... Oh, this is actually really cute. Okay. You heard a spirit, ride like the wind. Okay. Oui! J'arrive! Okay, so there's one that we haven't planted yet. So there we go. Okay, so run to the finish line. Okay, that was not the best, but woohoo! Nice riding. You're gonna be a tough competitor for the other riders to beat. Go up to the notice board here by me and sign yourself and your friends up for a race. Good luck, Emma. I've got faith in you. Oh, so now we can always do the race. Cool. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the day, and we'll be back next time with Spirit, and see you guys next time. Bye!